Hello everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood fix-it Nick, trying to save a few bob by looking at things that break down in the house. And today I'm actually looking at this washing machine. This is a front loader whirlpool which was letting in water. It was filling up when it was off and running, and I'm just trying to think, oh crikey, something's gone wrong, what is it? And we figured out that it is to the water inlet take valve. And anyway, we're going to try to repair it. Let's whiz on. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually shut off the water so it's not going to leak into the tumbler. That's there. And most importantly is to unplug, make sure that we're not connected to a live wire. Because if we get that wet, then I'll be doing the high jump. So that's out it comes. And then I'm going to pull this out. It's going to disconnect the hot and cold taps. So the screws here, there, let's have a look. There's one there. You see, it's sort of like a star shaped. And anyway, so we've got the screwdriver and we're going to just remove these to get the lid off. So there were actually 3 screws in the back, one in the middle. So I'm going to take this off, and here we go. And coming a little closer, this is what we're going to be removing right here. And I actually got a replacement for it, thanks to our good friends online. This is an actual whirlpool original equipment manufactured piece. It's not a knockoff, it's a real deal. I paid a few extra bucks. I paid like 80 bucks for this, but I know it's going to save me a ton. And if I just look at it, and it is a mirror image, so cool. Anyway, and I'll put on the link the website where I actually got this part, which was fantastic. So anyway, let me see if I can take this out. If we look here, there's like a little metal clip here. So just with a pair of pliers, I'm going to go in there, squeeze it, and loosen this rubber hose off. Now, just make sure I've just aligned it up right. So I attach it with the hose first, right in. Here we go. We're going to wiggle that in. Then with my pliers, slip the hold, this little metal fastener back into place. Here we go. Boom. Here we go. I'm going to swing it round here. Pop this through. Make sure that the yellow is with the yellow. The white with the white. And now I'm going to put everything back. There's just one screw at the back holding this into place. And if you see, it doesn't really take that long just to put this together. So anyway, let me just put one in place. All ready to go. And I will put everything back. Just reattach the hoses. And making sure with the water turned on, just making sure that I have them well, you know, not too tight. I don't want to be Herculean and bust the threads, but just enough that it's there and I've got my fingers on. So this is all watertight now. I'm going to put the lid on and then we will let it sit. As I say, I've turned the water back on there, put the pressure back into the washing machine, see if it holds. If it does, it's one step done, and then we'll throw a load in, and then we'll be off to the races. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Even if you didn't like it, hit the like button. And we'll see you next time with Fix It with Nick.